Okay, let's talk about the audio board. The audio board is a lot of buttons, a lot of knobs, faders, everything. But you really only have to worry about three things on here, and I do not want you touching anything. Do not touch anything up here. Do not touch any of these black buttons. The three areas on this board that you can move and use are the mains. So over here in the bottom right, that's the main volume. So if these are down, we're not going to hear any of the mics. This audio board is connected to the TriCaster, and that's how we hear the mics, through the TriCaster. So these mains, there's two white lines. This is the left channel, this is the right channel. Both need to be equal. So the white lines are here. The white lines should meet the black lines on the board. So I'm going to move these up, white lines to black lines. Okay, so you can touch those. Those have to be up to hear anything. And also the speakers have to be on in here for us to hear stuff. Then down here, there are 6 different mics that we use. You can see right here, the first 2 are for camera 1. It says camera 1 under here, so for the anchor desk. The second 2 are for camera 2. Those are the wireless ones. That's for the big wall. And the third mic is the wired mic, which is for the stool. Okay, so to work these are individually audio or leveled, so you could adjust the levels and the volumes here for each mic. This is the anchor desk's left microphone. This is the anchor desk's right microphone, and that is from where we're sitting. So you look out, it's our left is here, our right microphone is here on the anchor desk. Then these 2 are wireless. I want to show you something. This is a wireless mic. Okay, there's these are transmitters. There's receivers in here. The receivers are hooked into this board, into this channel. So right, this is for wireless 1. It says wireless 1. This says wireless 1. You turn this on, there's a button right here. Hold that button down until the green light pops on. This mic is now on, okay? But right now, you can see I'm talking into it, this little button, this little red light. It's receiving it, but because this volume is down, we're not hearing anything. So what I want to show you is, as I put this up, you'll start hearing testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Oh, I'm faded to black over here. Let me unfade to black. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Now you don't hear it. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. You see the indicator here, but there's another indicator over on the TriCaster I'm going to talk to you about in a minute. So this adjusts the volume up and down. You never want to go too high. It'll give feedback. But the third thing and the third button that you need to use in here is the mute button. It's hard to see. There's a square button on this channel right here. It's right there. If I want to mute this microphone, I click that square button and the yellow light pops on. So unmuted is right here. Muted is right here. Yellow, you could hear unmuted, muted, right here, okay? So how do you tell what's the right level? I want you to look right here. There's going to be an audio indicator right in there. I'm gonna turn wireless 1's mic back on. I'm gonna unmute it right now, and I'm gonna turn it up. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Okay, so if you're working the audio board, this is how people are hearing the recording. This is the correct level. You want it where the white is just hitting the yellow on there. So that is about a good level right there. You don't want it way up here. This is way too loud. You can see it's going into the yellow way too, it's almost at the top. It's gonna clip out, it's gonna get, and it could even cause feedback. So I'm gonna turn this down. That is a good level. That is a good level right there. A lot of times to check the levels, I have the people say the Pledge of Allegiance, since everybody knows it. So you can say, okay, you're on wireless 1, say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and you would adjust this up and down until that level is right on the TriCaster.